rainbow and an info. Is she human? She just one of a kind, out of her mind. Yeah. One too many times a week a bruise. Oh, how she wears me down. She with everyone, no matter what I try to lose. Not shy to take a risk, but I love that. She's a part of me. I don't want to let go.
So we'll do all of the same things. Yeah, what you can remember. Perfect. Let's have your hands go through your hair. Perfect. Let's smize for this one. Smize, so like kind of a little smile, but not a full on like, all right. Smize, perfect, love it. Perfect. Perfect. Coming out wide. Perfect. Let's do a little bit of a wide stance. Wider, perfect. Put your weight on one side. Perfect. Have your hands one go up and one, yeah, perfect. Something, yeah, perfect. Okay, both hands on hip. Oh yeah, that's even better. Just give me both hands on hips. Perfect. Perfect, love it. Okay, let's go on the wall for a couple of those. Yeah, love it. Hair, yep. And the back? And the back, yeah. It's just the wind. Oh, love this. Perfect, breathe through your mouth, breathe through your mouth. Perfect, give me a little smile. Perfect. Awesome. Let's move. You're good. This is good. This is good. Okay. Try not to frown as much. I know it's hard. You can like keep your eyes somewhat closed, like you're just daydreaming. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Point your toes. Yeah, like not upwards, like yeah, like kind of like yeah. Bring them out your legs a little bit more, Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Perfect. Perfect. Yes, nice. Don't move. Do not move. Do not move. Hold it. Yes, love it. Hold that. Okay. You do that again. What you were doing before. Huh? You were kind of like, yeah. Perfect. Look over your shoulder. Not that one, the other one. Other one. Perfect. Look down. Hold it. Hold it. Look here. Smile.
What up, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Nikon's latest powerhouse, the Nikon Z6 III. Whether you're a photographer or videographer or a content creator, this camera promises to elevate your craft. Let's explore what makes the Z6 III a standout in the mirrorless market. At first glance, the Nikon Z6 III maintains Nikon's signature ergonomic design, ensuring comfortable grip for extended shoots. The body is robust yet lightweight, making it ideal for on-the-go professionals. Under the hood, the Nikon Z6 III boasts a 24.5 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with impressive dynamic range. This new sensor design offers 3.5 times faster readout than its predecessor, the Z6 II, significantly reducing rolling shutter effects during fast action shots. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or fast-paced action, the Nikon Z6 III handles it with finesse. The improved autofocus system, now up to 20% faster, ensures sharp focus even in challenging conditions. It also features advanced subject detection modes, including people, animal, vehicles, making it versatile for various shooting scenarios. Videographers will appreciate the Z6 III's impressive video specs. It supports 6K video recording at 60 frames a second, providing ample room for post-production flexibility. Additionally, it offers 4K recording at 120 frames per second and Full HD at 240 frames per second for smooth, slow-motion footage. Say goodbye to those shaky shots. The Z6 III includes a robust 5-axis in-body image stabilization system that can reduce vibration up to 8 stops, ensuring crisp images and steady video even in low-light conditions. A major concern for consumers and professionals alike is Nikon's autofocus. While the earlier Z cameras had decent autofocus, it quite did not match the competitors out there in Canon and Sony. I can say that with this third iteration of this camera, it is right there. Canon and Sony are still leading the pack, and Nikon is just a hair below. If you're concerned about the autofocus system, I would say do not make that a major concern because it is really, really good and very competitive with other brands out there, even with it being just a minor step below. When it comes to flaws of this camera, for my personal use case, there isn't any. When we think about Nikon as a system, especially the Z system overall, I think that there's an opportunity for them to still expand the lens lineup, especially when it comes to third-party lenses, so that they are more affordable options for prosumers like myself. Other than that, this camera has been really perfect for me. There are reports out there that as a result of this new sensor, there is a hit to dynamic range compared to its predecessor.
Okay, so I'm interrupting the video really quickly to drive this point home. So over here, we've got two images. We've got one shot by the Nikon Z6 III and the other by the Nikon ZF. The Nikon ZF has a backside illuminated sensor, 24 megapixels, and then we've got the Nikon Z6 III with the partially stacked sensor. Critics out there are saying that when it comes to both of these sensors, because of the partially stacked sensor on the Z6 III, it's got worse dynamic range. And I'm here to tell you that all of those statements are overblown. So I shot the exact same image, same settings, same lens and everything, same position, slightly off because the tripod moved a little bit, but that's besides the point. I am going to stretch these images. I shot them intentionally underexposed, and I'm going to stretch these images so that you can see that all of this claims are, while technically true, super overblown. So let's go ahead and raise the exposure. So on the Z6 III, I'm going to raise it up by 4 stops, which is extreme, and I'm going to do the same thing on the Nikon ZF. So when we take a look at the images completely zoomed out, again, they look perfectly normal, even though they were severely underexposed. But where you're going to actually see the difference is when you zoom in. So you have to zoom into the darker parts of the image. So we've zoomed in about 300% into the plant on the Z6 III, and you've got to see that, there's a little bit of noise there, color noise and grain in the image. Now, let's do the exact same thing to the Nikon ZF. So we're zooming into 300% here as well. And I don't know if this is picking up because of YouTube's compression, but if you take a look at the difference, as you can see, the Nikon ZF is slightly cleaner than the Nikon Z6 III. So those claims are technically true in a scientific lab. However, notice what we had to do. We had to shoot 4 stops underexposed, had to raise it up and then zoom 300% into the image to see that difference. That is extreme. If you're worried about the sensor, then you would have to be a really bad photographer and get your settings completely wrong to be able to notice these differences and hope that you could save your image in post. Get your image right in camera, and you won't have to worry about this. And even if you're slightly off, again, you wouldn't have to worry about this. These claims are completely overblown.
As you all know, I'm someone with a lineup of different cameras. And so where does this camera fit in my lineup? Well, It replaces the tried and true Sony A7 IV for me. See, the Sony A7 IV was my do-it-all camera. If I had to go to a professional gig, if I had to shoot a YouTube video, if I had to take family photos at home, it was my tried and true reliable camera. This camera is exactly like my Sony A7 IV, but just better. And so it has now become my new workhorse of a camera. When I look for inspiration and I'm looking to spend time with family or I'm just lounging, I might use one of my other cameras. But when I want a camera that would just get the job done, the Nikon Z6 III is that camera for me, and I can officially say that it is my primary camera moving forward. Staying connected is seamless with the Z6 III. It features advanced connectivity options including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, facilitating easy sharing, and remote control via your smart device. The intuitive menu system and customizable controls make it user-friendly, catering to both seasoned professionals and newcomers. The Nikon Z6 III is available now, priced at $2,499 in the US. While it's a significant investment, the blend of advanced features and performance makes it a compelling choice for those serious about their craft. In summary, the Nikon Z6 III is a versatile and powerful tool that caters to a wide range of creative needs. It blends high-quality imaging, advanced autofocus, and robust video capabilities, making it a worthy successor in Nikon's mirrorless lineup. Thanks for joining me in this in-depth look at the Nikon Z6 III. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me know in the comment what features you're most excited about. Until next time, happy shooting, have a good one.